Welcome to your addition tutorial. So our key vocab for this lesson, the children will be adding. So they'll be looking at addition problems, addition calculations. When they use addition, they need to use column method. So they need to make sure they line up their ones, their tens, their hundreds, and so on, making sure they're in the correct column. Here I can see I do not need to exchange. I've got 270. In their problems, there'll be a range of language used, and the children need to understand that add is the same as sum of, total, or together. So children will sometimes get slipped up on this, but they need to remember that these are the same as add, sum of, total, or together. They can use a bar model to represent their problem. So I've got 200, add 70, so these are our parts, equals the top, the big bar is our total, 270. To check their problem, they can use the inverse. The inverse is when we swap what operation we are using. So if we're using addition, we can swap it and use subtraction. So if I did 270, and then I can use either of these numbers here, take away 70, I can see that will be 200. And I've checked it, my numbers match, so I know I'm right. So that's called using the inverse. So, starting over here, we've got our place value grid here showing us that our first number has 4 ones, 6 tens, 100 and 2,000. And we are adding a number with 3 ones, 1 10, 200s and 3,000s. So we can use a place value grid to help us. Most children in year 5 would just be able to go straight to a column method. But if they ever get stuck, they can go back and use this pictorial representation to help them. So I can see that 4 plus 3 is 7, 6 plus 1 is 7, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So I can see my total is 5,377. And if you're working with your child to do their homework, you need to make sure that they can read these numbers correctly. It's really good for their number fluency. So 5 here, we'll do the same thing. 5 plus 3 is 8. 7 plus 4. Well, I know using my number bonds to 10, 7 plus 3 is 10. So I know that this one's going to cross the hole. I need to exchange into the hundreds column because 7 plus 4 is 11. So I put my 1 here, and then I carry my 1, and then I add these together, 7, 8, 9. I've added it on, so I cross it out. So I've got my 9, 4 plus 2 is 6. So my total number is 6,918. Let's do some more over here. I know that 5 plus 5 is 10. So once again, for this 5 plus 6, I'm going to cross the hole to make 11. Add these together, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, crossing it out. Add these together, double 4 is 8, 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9,891. Same again here, I cross my hole because it's 11. Add these together. Well, I know 6 plus 3 is 9, plus that one is 10. So I've crossed the hole. I've got no 10s now. And I move over to my hundreds. 4 plus 4, double it is 8. So that is 9. 7 plus 9, 7 plus 2, sorry, is 9. So my answer is 9,901. We can do another one down the bottom here. So I've got 23,000, sorry, 23,245. So I'm going to add these together. I'm going to use column addition, 23,245, add 14,323. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. And my final one there is 3. Using a comma to chunk my number together, I've got 37,000 568. So do one more down here. It says away fans. So it says the table shows the number of home and away fans attending 3 football matches. So the first football match had 53,640 fans, and away, so that was home fans, and then away fans 12,930. Number 2, 42,630 home fans, 18,340 fans, and match number 3, 35,480 fans plus 32,490 fans. So it wants the total for each match to find out which had the greatest total attendance. So we're going to add 53,640, 12,930. Match number 2, 42,630, add 18,340. And match number 3, 35,480, add 32,490. Make sure that's really clear. Get my totals ready. So that one will be 0. Add 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 9 is 15. I cross my hole. 5, 6, and that one's a 6. So the total number for this match is 66,570. Here, 7, 9, cross my hole, 50,970. And the children should start to be able to compare these. So this match here had less fans than this match. This one had the greater attendance. And over here, so that one will be 7, carry my 1, 4 plus 4, that one will be 9. This one will be 7 and 6. So I now can look at each attendance and see that this is the biggest number, has the most in the thousands, and the 10,000, 67,000. This one had the total greatest attendance. So in my box here, I will put number 3. And there we go.